Alright, welcome back everybody. Resourceful Marcus here. So I'm going to be resealing the 30-gallon aquarium with the silicone, and I'm just trying to give you a perspective of what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and put a bead in here now. Got to reseal her up. This nice silicone here. Lay a bead in there. Here we go. Giving it to her. This is an amazing product, this silicone. Alright. Now the beauty of this caulking gun that I'm using, I don't have to back the pressure off it. Alright, now I take my silicone edge that I use, get that bead right in there. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. See that bead right along there? Put this down in there. Alright. I'm going to lay a bead along this side here. Bead in here. Laying a bead of silicone in there. There we go, beautiful. Alright, now I got my edge tool here. Get her right in there. Working that silicone right into the seam of the glass. There we go. Beautiful. A little bit there, I'll have to just scrape that off with a scraper. Glass scraper. Alright, now we're going to go along and we're going to do the bottom. Do the bottom. What I'm going to do is let this dry for a couple days, and then I'm going to do another round on the bottom. So right now I'm just going to go along here like this. On there like that. Lean that bead on there nice. Beautiful. Alright, now I gotta come around this way here, the back side. Give her this way. Getting a nice liberal bead in there. seal her up. There we go. That's it. Back the pressure off this. There you go. Easy peasy. Alright, now take my edge here, my edge tool. Just go along like this. Working her right into that seam of the glass. Beautiful. And what I will do is I will go around, sorry guys, I will go around the bottom again, and I will make sure that I have that all nice and sealed up. So that's the sides running this way, and I got the bottom sealed. Ow. Resourceful Marcus. Going forward. Getting her done. This is a beautiful product. This product, American Sealants Incorporated, for the aquarium sealant. Aquarium silicone sealant. Seals the glass. Sides are nice. Front is nice. Front is nice on this side. There we go. Looking good. Alright, Resourceful Marcus, I'm going to sign off for now. I just wanted to show you how I re-silicone the aquarium. Now, the bottom, I'm going to let it dry, and I'll come back in a couple days, and I'm going to put a bigger, I'm going to really jam it to the bottom. I put even a bigger bead. And then I'm going to silicone all around here, on this edge, inside. Going to seal here, seal here. Now, the reason you seal here and you seal under here inside is because you don't want moisture to weep out here, and then you get all that gunk building up on the glass of your aquarium. Alright, that's a trick I will show you. Alright, Resourceful Marcus signing off for now. Getting closer with this aquarium. Loving it. Getting closer. Going to be better than brand new. Got the nice silicone applied. Alright, thanks for watching my channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This is Resourceful Marcus signing off for now. I will see you again soon.